strawberry crumble pie from my childhood. My mom used to make this for me when I was little. It's so good. I will be making it with fresh strawberries, and if you haven't tried it before, definitely try it because it's super delicious. You can skip this step and use jam instead, but this will be so good. Wash and prepare 1 pound of strawberries. Use a food processor or a hand blender to make strawberry smoothie. Add that to the pot. Add half of a cup of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of pectin. Mix, bring it to boil, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, you can get a spoon and do a little test. Your strawberry smoothie should drip off the spoon like a jam. Transfer it to a container and let it cool down to room temperature. And for the pie, we'll need 2 sticks of butter, that's 1 cup at room temperature. Add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Blend it together until nice and smooth. Add 3 eggs. Mix it up. Make sure to get all the butter off the sides if you have to. Add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half of a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix just until the flour is blended together, don't overmix. I'm using 9x9 baking tray. I will line it with parchment paper. Transfer the dough, but leave about 1/3 of a cup for the crumbles. I'm using some water to smooth out the surface of the crust. And to the 1/3 of a cup of dough, I'm adding about half of a cup of flour to make those crumbles. Mix, and you'll get this beautiful texture. Cover the pie crust with strawberry jam. Add those crumbles. Bake at 350 for about 40 minutes. You'll see the crumbles turning golden in color. You really don't want to underbake this pie. This pie is sandy, delicious. It's basically a little piece of my childhood.